Crafting with Cass, let's go.
Sound moderator. Okay.
I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back for another DIY. So this project, I'm going to be doing Dollar Tree upgraded bathroom decor for any bathroom tabletop counter. And so I'm going to actually be trying to similarly recreate this cute little wiring sign that I seen from the Magnolia Home line at Target, where it was this cute little powder room sign that you can put like on any wall decor. But I decided to try to create that same type of wiring signage for this Dollar Tree bathroom decor that I'm going to be creating. So if you want to see how I created this cute affordable bathroom decor using Dollar Tree materials, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I started the project off using materials from the Dollar Tree, except for the paint that I used and the chalk marker. So after I got everything spray painted that needed to have black spray paint, then I started working on the wire words. And in this particular case, I started with wiring the end of the word and then working towards the beginning of the word. And I literally just started bending and folding the wire so it started to look like actual cursive words. And I used some jewelry tools to actually bend the wire, but you definitely could do this with just using your hands. And I used the same process for both of the words, moving backwards to make sure that I had enough wire to actually work with for the actual word. Next, I added some black chalk paint to the label parts of the jars.